Scandal is a movie. From Dambisa almost getting shot and Mthunzi almost getting shot to uNtuthuko finding out Lihle is now staying at Dintle's house and going over there to fetch her. And then overhearing Utumadloma was on a date with Tlhori's uncle. Hi, welcome to my channel. Here's an update on Scandal. So, since Mdala went to fetch Dambisa to get Mthunzi to talk, gets there, points a gun at Dambisa. Dambisa angasa-act. Hey, Mthunzi bazondibulala. Babeke umpu. Mthunzi gave up. But okay, fine, I'll delete everything. Gave them passwords, they deleted everything. And then Mdala is like, you know what? Tatan Dambisa, get out of here. Puman nonk. Vuvi's like, don't do anything stupid. The next thing they hear a gun going off. And they think ukuthi Mdala shot Mthunzi. And he didn't. Dambisa angasalili. She was just crying. And then apparently Mdala didn't shoot Mthunzi. He just shot on the side just to scare him off. Again, Dambisa find that Mthunzi said, right, Mtanami. Ati Vuvu, are you letting him go just like that? Ati yasemekela, let's hope he was not going to come back to Ethembeni. Ati, Vuvu, I don't think this is a good idea. You can't just let him lose. Maybe call the police. As taps, no, we can't involve the police. It will come back to bite us. I am Dalarika face go Mthunzi. Bah. Angasakwata Mthunzi. And then he leaves. And then Mthunzi here, they don't know what they've done. They've messed with the wrong person. Dambi says, Mtanam, please let it go. Let go of all this darkness. I wonder what he's going to do next. And then uNtuthuko finds out Lihle has moved in with uDintle nobaba le emasababsini. He got furious. That's why are you giving him so much power, ma? Went over there to say, hey, wena Lihle, asambe. Atu baba kaka indawo Lihle. Athe you soon a spokesperson manje. Asambe when uDintle took her baby to the room because she didn't want to expose her to all that. Ahlale phasi uLihle. uNtuthuko athi okay fine, hlala ke nomndeni wakho omusha siphukuphuku ndini. And then ahambe ke uNtuthuko to buy alcohol kwaDivet. Bambone ke uBotsotso no poet bathi hawu ndoda, are you drinking so early in the morning? As no, I'm just buying it for later. He's lying. And then he leaves, overhears them saying ukuthi they saw his mom with Tlhori's uncle Levels on a date. Aqasuke uNtuthuko, gets home very drunk. So late at night, Mthuthuko, what have you become? I'm still grieving losing my husband. Manje now I must deal with a child who's a drunkard. Athi ma ngenze athi hayi ngizobiyeka utshwala. And then uNtuthuko evela tshela umakhe ukuthi I heard ukuthi wena busunomuntu e-leveled. But angublame vele ubaba is half a man, is not man enough. And then uDintle tells Hloso ukuthi yazini, I'm worried about this whole Ntuthuko thing. I don't want it to affect Kanye. Please let's just do it for Thembelihle so that she finishes her exams or pass. Thembelihle keeps on getting these messages from this stranger person. Now this stranger person is like seems like he knows a lot about Thembelihle. And now they're texting. And then Mathubela overhears Uncle Libone talking to someone that seems to be like her wife or girlfriend. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye.